Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of dignity. The state or quality of being worthy of honor or respect. For example, a man of dignity and unbending principle. American pronunciation. Dignity. Dignity. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Dignity. Say. Dignity. Dignity means being worthy of honor or respect. Dignity. Dignity. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. She has an undefinable quality and she stands for dignity and respect. Now, repeat after me. She has an undefinable quality and she stands for dignity and respect. The second practice. This government is selling out the honor and dignity of the country. Now, repeat after me. This government is selling out the honor and dignity of the country.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.